right, Tim Azella is showing off his artsy side this morning.
Let's just hope he doesn't sleep on the job. Tim is checking into the Angad Arts Hotel this morning. Tim, exactly where are you this morning?
We are inside the lobby of the new Angad Arts Hotel, right here near Grand Center, right between the Fox and Powell. And you saw my reaction when I got up on the 12th floor, which is where the lobby is. You ready to see what I saw, guys?
Yes.
Take a look at this.
Oh, very cool.
Is that cool or what?
Yeah.
We are sitting under a lamp. It is called a Chameleon Lamp. Steve Smith, the creator, founder, owner of the Angad Arts Hotel. This is a unique piece.
Well, as we said earlier, we were trying to make this an arts hotel and push the envelope in doing creative things. And so the hotel lobby's on the top floor. We're on the 12th floor right now, and you check in right over here.
That's pretty cool. Yeah, you check in right over here to my right, and yeah, that's changing things up. You check in on the top floor instead of the bottom floor.
And then you descend to your room.
Very nice. And this is an amazing showcase for St. Louis artists. That's what this is.
We made a commitment early on that we were going to be an arts hotel, but we wanted to showcase the great talent we have here in St. Louis as St. Louis artists. Sculptors, painters, videographers, dancers, all St. Louis artists.
It's so cool, so cool. So we're going to take a walk here and show you something really cool. So again, the walls are lined with art of St. Louis artists, and we're going to take